So number 14, slow transit constipation can cause chronic constipation as well. So what that means is it takes longer time for your stool to travel along your digestive tract. So how can you simply measure that? How long does it take and confirm whether it's because of slow transit constipation? There are multiple ways of doing things. Number one way is to very simple at-home test, which is called beetroot test. What you can do is you can drink a glass of beetroot and then expect to have a red stool within 12 to 24 hours. And if you do not get red stool in that particular time frame, that can be the indicative that you have slow transit constipation. So what that means is you have a impaired gut motility. So gut motility is the movement of the stool in the digestive tract, and that can be impaired by many things. One of the things is obviously the neurological reasons in the gut area. Another could be the physiological reason is that because of lack of movement or exercise, the gut motility is impaired. So those are a couple of reasons that can cause gut motility. And if your chronic constipation is caused by impaired gut motility, which can categorize as slow transit constipation, this beetroot test can indicate that. So another way of, again, measuring the slow transit constipation is taking a capsule and adding a marker and ingest that and record how long does it take to come out during the bowel movement. So that is most commonly done using with collaboration with the healthcare provider. But again, this capsule or the beetroot, either of them can indicate whether you have slow transit constipation if it's taking more than 24 hours or more than that. So these are simple tests to monitor the passes of food and stool through the digestive tract. And if it takes longer than 24 hours, that indicates you have slow transit constipation.